I'm going to talk about the next big snowstorm that's going to come. I'm not going to count this storm because today is happening now. And lower pressure starts from here, and snow blizzard snowstorm here from here, and snowstorm right here from rain from here. It's gonna hit like right here. Might come in northeast or somewhere here. And it's the rain and it's more widespread and things. Rain forms right here and snow forms here. And low pressure forms again right here. And snowstorm right here. And it's gonna be snowstorm right here. And snowstorm right here. And it's gonna come a northeaster. And snowstorm right here. And it's gonna be northeaster actually here.